Hey, what's up guys, this is JAFAR and welcome back to this video. So guys, in this video I would like to say how to fix stuck issues while doing FITGIRL repacks. Guys, if you are facing isdone.dll error or unlock.dll error, you must have to watch this video. It's 100% clear that. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first step that I recommend you, that is turn off your antivirus.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spread.
Second step is very important. First, set a Windows 7 compatibility mode as shown here.
But that's alright. Hush.
Now here is the main step. Verify bin files before installing this game.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
If you notice everything fine, move on to the next step. In the search tab, you must have to search system configuration.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension.
And now select the boot tab and check the save boot option. And now apply. Now locate the file where your game repack is located. And now run the setup as an admin. And now do a step.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
And now select the boot tab again and uncheck the save boot option.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming.
Now you don't have any issues installing the game again. If you want to check the limit installer, you must to click that or else it may stuck. So I think this video will be very helpful. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is JAFAR. You're watching Technological REPACKS. Goodbye.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.